Now when we lose a life, we actually want to lose a heart. So we don't want to just die and restart the game like it currently works. So let's go and edit the player script. And we want to go find that die function. When we die, where is that? Down here. Let's rename the die function to lose a life. Lose a life. And what should we do in here now that we're losing a life instead of dying? Well, we should check if we are alive. So we'll go to control flow and grab that if, and we want to check if alive. So true, false, alive. And if we are alive, then we'll do this stuff. We can only lose a life if we're alive. Then we want to make the last heart in our list of hearts go invisible. So it looks like we've lost a life. So we'll go to looks, grab set visibility, and we want to do this before the little time delay. Set visibility of myself. Well, we don't want to make the player invisible, so we'll get rid of that. We want to make the last heart invisible. Now, how are we going to target the last heart in our list of hearts? Well, we know we need to be looking at the list of hearts, so let's grab that block, list hearts. So we want to do something with that. The way that we want this to work is if we have 3 lives left and we just lost that third life, we'll be down to 2 lives. So we want to find number 3 heart and make that invisible. If we had 4 lives, we will have 4 hearts. We want to find number 4 heart and make it invisible. So what we want to do is, in this list, get the number that equals our current lives. We'll go to variables and grab number lives. We want to do something with these two. The way that we'll tie them together is a block from operators, which in operators there are a bunch of blocks for manipulating lists. We want in list get number, so that'll get the number position from a list. So we'll grab that block. Now in list, well, we'll get rid of list, we want list hearts. In list hearts, we want to get the number that correlates with the number of lives. So if we have 2 lives left, we want to get the second heart and then make it invisible so that we only have 1 life left. Now that we're getting the correct heart from the list of hearts, I put that in there, and this particular heart, whichever it is going to be set to invisible. So set that to false. Now let's test that out to see if we can see the correct heart go invisible. Let's go and die, and there we can see it goes invisible. Very nice.